Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are going to be making banana vinegar, and for this we need bananas, ripe bananas. The more ripe the better, because the more the bananas are ripe, the sweeter they will be, even the more minerals in the bananas. Then we are going to need sugar, and we shall need water. We are going to start by cutting the bananas into smaller pieces. We do that with a peel on. Even if you use the bananas, the inside part only, it is still okay. The vinegar that I made prior, I made it with the inside only. You can also use the peels only, and you can use everything. So it's up to you really to use whatever you have. Then we are going to place it in a jar. Be careful not to overfill the jar, because we are going to add water, and the fruit, the banana in this case, has to be submerged in the water. But also when the fermentation process begins, there are bubbles that come off. If your jar is overfilled, the liquid will pour over. So leave some space to make sure that the water that you're going to add covers the fruit and still leaves some room for fermentation to take place. After this, I am going to add sugar. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to this. Generally, for sweet things, I put 2 tablespoons per liter. And if I am using something that is not sweet to make vinegar, then I will double that or put a little bit more. The more the sugar, the more concentrated the vinegar will be. But you don't want to put a lot of sugar, because if the sugar is too much at the beginning, it takes longer to start the fermentation process. And then we are going to cover with a piece of cloth and rubber band, such that keep out fruit flies, insects, and that while our vinegar is getting aerated, enough air to facilitate the process. We are going to keep this for a month, but we are going to keep checking on it every day to make sure that the bananas are submerged in the water, and also to make sure that it's not developing any mold. In case the bananas are above the liquid, which normally happens, you take a wooden spoon and you stir the mixture. This will ensure that mold does not develop on the bananas that are exposed to the air. After a month, you'll be straining out your vinegar. Over here, I have vinegar that I started a month ago, and I'm going to be straining it out today. You see, it has a mother in it. So I'm going to get a cheesecloth and pour it over. After straining the vinegar, I'm going to put it back into the jar. And I am going to close it off tightly. If you want to keep it for a longer period of time, it is better that you fill it more, such that we limit the amount of oxygen that comes in contact with our vinegar. Don't forget to label your vinegar, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and give us a comment. Until next time, stay healthy and God bless you.